Good afternoon, good evening, whatever part of the country you're in. I am here to tell you that it's time to get your documents in order. It is December the 15th. So, guess what? You got 3 months from today. If you have a partnership or a multi member LLC, to gather and organize all of your documents because it's time to file your taxes. March the 15th, 2023 is the deadline for filing taxes for partnerships and multi member LLCs. And the taxes that you're responsible for filing those days are the Form 1065 and your Schedule K1s. It is the deadline to file your taxes, but of course, you know that you had a quarterly payment due for those entities that you have, the multi-member LLCs and the partnerships. But in terms of sole proprietors, the Schedule C filers, single member LLC, which is also a Schedule C filer, your tax deadline is April the 15th, but you have until April the 18th, 2023 to get that paperwork in. And if you're a C Corp, a corporation, the Form 1120, of course, is also due April 15th. The tax form with April the 18th, but the tax form is due on the 15th or the 18th for 2023. However, your payments were due long before. Without filing an extension, those are your tax deadlines. Thank you for joining me for this edition calculator.